So guys, today I'm going to unboxing this Ajio shirt with this cool knife. So here it comes. Packaging. It is totally empty. Here is the cool shirt. Comes with some sort of bill. So this is the shirt. You can see the color. It is navy blue and very good quality. I have ordered in the XL size, so XL is mentioned here. Ajio slim fit, very good material. Going to show you from the front. It is look like this. Ajio having some pocket stuff is very good. His actual market price is 1,999. Geo branding. Okay guys, so if you like this video, share and subscribe my channel.